Morning guys, April 12th, 2021. This one here I gotta go disconnect the kitchen, sink and stove and whatnot. And I guess the guy's redoing his kitchen, so I gotta go there and demo it. Maybe cut the valves out. I'll have to see what's, because I guess they're putting whole new cabinets and countertop in, so we'll do what we gotta do. I'll be able to get any shots, but I'll try. Alright, so I got the water shut off over there. I'm gonna drain it back. I got some work to do in the kitchen, and I don't want it. I got a solder caps on and everything, so I'm gonna drain it back here. You won't have any standing water in the pipe, right? There was a sink here. I cut out the riser, and I'm gonna cut these back and cap them in the wall. It's gonna be just cabinets now. I got the water drained all the way downstairs, right? So it shouldn't build pressure. There's a sink behind the wall here. See, I didn't burn the wall, I just moved it out a little bit and soldered it. I don't have to burn the house down. Put these rubbers in and roll them. I'll show you a little trick. countertops and when to put shut-offs in. If there was water in this pipe and you tried starting to blow the cap off, that's why I drained it downstairs. This way you can just drill a hole in the bottom of the cabinet, pop them in here, and worry about it later. So I got one test cap, that's all I have, and I got a permanent cap, so I'll use that. Be fine. It's gonna be a couple of days till I get the countertop in. I'll be back. I call it test. And a lot of caps. Some more caps for the truck. I'm going to cut that off flush, so what I'm going to do is drill it out so I can stick a piece in there. I don't want to go too deep with it. It's good. All the sizes in the truck for that I need. Let's see if we have any leaks, I guess. We'll fill it. There'll be a lot of air in there anyway, so cap on that too, in case somebody hits that. Wow. Holy shit. The whole thing's backing out. Check valve pipe. Joke. Wow. Unbelievable. Broke off. Unbelievable. Can't leave that there. Some kind of fucking weird check valve or something bullshit. We'll have to put a new flex in anyway. Can't leave that like that open. Not safe. Cat comes by and steps on it, or a dog fills the house with gas, you'd be done. I don't know what the hell's in that. Some kind of check valve or something. Yeah, some kind of... Once all the air comes out, we get a good flow of water. You can do the cold, but
I haven't both.
I drained the tank down so I can work on it, right?